Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use the pad age breaker machine in Grow Garden game of Roblox new smithing update. Okay, let's get into it guys. The smithing update has been dropped in Grow Garden and there is a new machine called this pad age breaker machine, and you will see this machine nearby the gear shop on the left side right here. And to unlock this machine, you need to have level 100 plus pad. Okay. And I'm going to show you guys what this machine can do. So basically guys, this machine let you merge your pad to stack their level. And I'm going to submit my giraffe, which has level 100. Wait. Okay. This one. I'm going to submit my pad to this machine and we need to select the dupes. Okay, as you can see, I have giraffe with level 1. So my pad will be on level 101. I'm going to submit it. Okay, and click on confirm. And now the pad age break has been started. And we just need to wait. And after the process, my pad will be on level 101 because I have already submitted my giraffe with level 100 and my giraffe with level 1. And it takes 2 hours, almost 2 hours, 1 hour and 30 minutes. Okay. And I think this machine is not that good because you need to have level 100 plus pad. It's not really worth. Okay guys, and that's how we can use the pad age breaker in Grow Garden game of Roblox new smithing update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.